If you're a homeowner in High Springs, you already know how much charm this area has, from quiet neighborhoods to beautiful natural surroundings. But when it comes time to sell or simply invest more into your home, one upgrade consistently stands out as a smart move: new windows. Beyond improving how your home looks and feels, replacing old windows can significantly increase your property's value and appeal. Strong first impressions matter. Curb appeal plays a major role in how buyers perceive a home, and windows are one of the first features people notice. Old, foggy, or damaged windows can make a house look dated, even if the interior is well maintained. New windows, on the other hand, instantly modernize your home's exterior. In High Springs, where buyers are often drawn to well-kept, inviting homes, updated windows send a clear message: this property has been cared for. That positive first impression can directly translate into higher offers and faster sales. Energy efficiency attracts today's buyers. Energy efficiency is no longer a bonus, it's an expectation. New windows are designed to reduce heat transfer, keeping cool air inside during Florida's warm months and preventing energy loss year-round. For buyers, this means lower monthly utility bills and a more comfortable living environment. Homes in High Springs with energy-efficient windows stand out in the market because buyers understand the long-term savings. When your home already includes upgraded windows, it removes a future expense from the buyer's to-do list, making your property more desirable and valuable. Increased comfort adds real value. New windows don't just look better, they improve daily living. They reduce drafts, block excessive outdoor noise, and help maintain consistent indoor temperatures. In a community like High Springs, where homeowners value peace, comfort, and quality of life, these benefits make a noticeable difference. Buyers touring your home will feel the comfort immediately, even if they can't pinpoint why the space feels better. That emotional response often leads to stronger interest and higher perceived value. Better protection and durability. Modern windows offer improved durability and stronger materials compared to older models. Many are built to handle Florida's weather conditions, including heavy rain, humidity, and strong sun exposure. This added protection reassures buyers that the home is well prepared for the local climate. When buyers see new windows, they see fewer future repairs and less maintenance, another factor that boosts home value and confidence in their purchase. A high return on investment. Window replacement is known for delivering an excellent return on investment. While not every upgrade adds the same level of value, new windows consistently rank among the top improvements for resale. In many cases, homeowners recover a large portion of their investment when selling. For High Springs homeowners planning to sell soon or even years down the road, new windows are a strategic upgrade that pays off both financially and functionally. A selling point that sets your home apart in a competitive housing market. Small advantages make a big difference. New windows can be a standout feature in listings and showings, helping your home rise above similar properties. Buyers often prioritize move-in ready homes, and updated windows check a major box on that list. Final thoughts. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to increase your home's long-term value, installing new windows is a smart investment in High Springs. They enhance curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, boost comfort, and give buyers exactly what they're looking for. In the end, new windows don't just change how your home looks, they change how much it's worth.